activity. All of you have the first and the second flashcard with you. All of you have the first and
लेके
second
आओ अपना
flashcard with you. Quickly. All of you have the first and second flashcard with you. Just bring it fast and please don't unmute yourself until or unless you are asked to do so. No need to. Disha ma'am,
Yes.
where are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Nothing. You can off the video part if you want to. Okay, children. Is everybody having the first flashcard and the second flashcard? Okay, okay. Akash is showing. Priyal is out of the frame again. She's finding out something. Priyal, what happened? Priyal, what happened? हो गए फ्लैश कार्ड्स Okay, Pratyay, where are your flashcards, beta? Show me. Pratyay. Okay, Sayali, you show yours. Okay, very good. Harsh, show me your flashcard, beta. Harsh, show me your flashcard. Okay, very nice. Very nice. Agrima, show yours. Agrima, show your flashcard, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Ahan, show me yours. Prakash, I have seen, beta. You can put your hand down. Otherwise, your hands will start paining. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. This was first flashcard and this was second flashcard. But yesterday, which homework I have given you people was to find out the meaning of the word which you have written on the second flashcard. So I'll start with Priyal. 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 Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Priyal, please unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Priyal, please read out the word which you have written on the second flashcard. What you have written? Bat. So, have you find out the meaning of bat?
Ma'am, bat. Ma'am, playing bat.
Yeah. So, bat is a word, B-A-T. Bat is a word which is used, which is having two meanings basically. Okay. So, first meaning is that it is used for playing cricket. You know, we play bat and ball, we play cricket. So, in that, the one which we use for hitting the ball is known as bat, and it is made
Ma'am,
of.
ball.
Yes.
Ma'am, ball.
And yeah, and second meaning is that it is a sort of small animal, variety of bird you could say. It has wings and it flies at the night. Do you know this? It basically flies at the night, although to the day also, but then mainly at the night part. Okay, so what you have to do is, like, let's suppose if I have these two more pieces left with me, pieces. So now, if the meaning of bat is like used to play cricket, or a piece of wood used to play cricket, or a piece of wood used for hitting the ball, whichever meaning you have taken out from of this particular word, just write that meaning on the third flashcard. Write that meaning. If let's suppose you have taken out rat, so rat is a small animal, you can write a small animal. If you have taken out mat, so it is a small piece of what? It is a small textured piece of cloth. So whichever meaning you have taken out, you can write on the third flashcard. So for bat, I'm going to write a piece of wood used for playing cricket. Okay. You are also right.
The small. Small.
A piece of wood.
Ma'am, please. Please. Ma'am, please show me.
Ma'am, Arhan is asking to show. Please show him the show.
Just a minute. A piece of wood.
Ma'am, please show me.
Wait, beta. Showing used for playing. So I've written this big meaning.
A piece of wood used for playing cricket.
Yeah, you all have to write the same thing. If you have written the word bat,
Ma'am,
you can write.
will not be capital A.
No. In meaning, when we are writing meaning, whenever in English we are writing meaning, always when we start, we have to use small alphabet only. We cannot use big alphabet, because that is wrong. You have to always use the small alphabet.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. See, you can write this also. Or if you want to write, you can write a small animal with wings.
Purva ma'am, bat is a small animal.
Yeah, it is small. Not so.
Is it an
small,
animal?
but
Eyes,
it is-
ma'am. Is it a bird or is it an animal, ma'am?
Now it is an animal. It
Okay,
has
ma'am.
both varieties. Now, if we'll go in detail, then we'll definitely go to biology. But then it has both specialities. It is a bird also. Why? Because it has wings, and it is an animal also. Why? Because it is dangerous.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.
Is everybody understanding?
Ma'am, I have written that. Ma'am, please show
Purva ma'am
me.
is written.
Ma'am, please show me. Ma'am, I have written that.
Please.
See, those who have written that, they can write the meaning a piece of wood used for playing cricket. You can write this.
A piece of wood playing for used playing. A piece of wood. Apurva ma'am, please.
Ma'am, I have written that.
Okay, ma'am. Very good. Those who have written can put thumbs up. Those who have written, they can put thumbs up. Are you able to write the whole sentence? Are you able to write the whole sentence? Pratyay? Real? Are you able to write the whole sentence?
English, Swami.
I could make it little easier for you.
Real, I can't speak.
Keep spelling. Then peace, P-I-E-C-E.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yeah, sure.
A P-I-E-C-E, peace. O-F of W-O-O-D, wood, comma, U-S-E-D, used. F, ma'am, I can't see F. It's written or. F-O-R for P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing. C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket, full stop.
Is that clear?
Ma'am, please
Good,
speak.
Agrima.
Sure.
Agrima, please put full stop at the end.
Very good, Agrima. Put a full stop. If you are writing this, then Agrima, you have written half. It should be complete. A small animal with wings.
With wings.
Both meanings are correct. Whichever you feel like, you can write.
Ma'am, I have written rat. Ma'am, I have written rat.
Who has written rat?
Agrima.
Ma'am, Agrima.
Acha, okay, you have written rat. Okay.
Then it's okay. A small animal can work.
That's fine. Done this much?
But not with wings, Apurva ma'am. A small animal, she will not write with wings.
If
She
you
has
have
written only a small.
She has written rat. R-A-T, rat. And this is for bat. Whichever you feel like, you can write. That's totally your choice.
After writing, please show your meanings, flashcards to me. Agrima, show your flashcard. Ahan, show your flashcard.
Okay. So
Very good, Agrima.
Real has already
Real
written.
has also written. Very good, Ahan. Agrima, can you put full stop? Put full stop after animal.
See, when the sentence is getting over, you have to put a full stop.
Dot लगाइए dot.
Ma'am, done.
Very good, Agrima.
Have you all done this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what you have to do is, with the help of your pencil, okay? With the help of your pencil. Now with the help of your pencil, what you have to do is, in the corner most, this corner, okay? Just write number 3. Write number 3 like this, in the corner. In the corner, write 3. Okay? So this was number 1. Then number 2. And now this is number 3. Can you all see? Disha ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this was number 1. Then the word which you have written is number 2. And at last where written meaning is number 3. Completed? All those who have completed this much, please raise your hand quickly.
Ma'am, but it's not necessary that we will put bat only before at. We can put rat,
Yeah, you
cat, mat.
Any word as per your choice. You can write any word. I have written that. You can write mat,
But then
rat,
we have to
cat.
find the meaning of that word, no?
Yeah. You have to find out meaning of that word. I'll give homework also today to everyone. I need everyone to send me the images on WhatsApp. Okay, I'll check it out.
Okay, ma'am.
Apurva ma'am, those who have done can one by one show. Like Sayali, can you show yours? All the 3 flashcards.
Definitely.
All the
A piece
3
of
beta. Okay.
Sayali, what have you written that spelling?
Sayali, show
Okay,
the
good.
meaning.
Good.
Show the
Sayali,
meaning.
show the meaning once. What is the spelling of play? Okay, she's written correct. Okay, it is correct, Sayali. It is correct. Yes, show.
Now, who is going to show now? Ahan or Agrima show?
Harsh is showing. Harsh, please show the meaning. Please show the meaning.
Okay, very good, Agrima. Ahan.
Harsh, I cannot see the
Agrima, I've
meaning
seen.
data. Meaning. Please read out.
Agrima,
Harsh.
I've seen. Very good. Ahan,
Harsh,
show
please
the
read out.
first 2 flashcards.
Okay.
Yes, very good, Ahan. Very good, Agrima.
Neha ma'am,
Perfect. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
ask them to read out one by one what they have written the meaning.
Perfect.
Priya, please read out the meaning.
like this.
Yes, read your meaning. Read it out. What you have written. She muted her. Priyal, unmute yourself. Then only you can read now.
Ask them one to unmute one by one.
Yeah. Yes. A piece of wood used
A piece of wood used
for
please
playing
चलो सब देखने में कुछ हो जाएगा
cricket.
Cricket.
Very nice. Sayali, now you read what meaning you have written. Sayali, read out the meaning.
Priyal, you know what is cricket?
Yes. A piece of wood used for playing cricket.
Very
Sayali, what is
good.
cricket?
Ma'am game.
Good.
Ma'am game.
Priyal has told us that it's a game.
Very nice. Okay, now next is Agrima. Agrima. Hello. Hello,
Agrima,
Agrima.
please unmute yourself.
Agrima, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Small animal.
Small. It's not small. It's small. Small.
Please repeat.
Repeat again.
Small animal.
Very nice.
Agrima, which color is rat of? Ma'am, is this sentence correct?
No.
Sorry,
This is
ma'am.
not
Can you please
the
tell
correct
me
sentence.
right sentence?
Agrima, Disha ma'am, the right sentence will be, what is the color of rat?
Yes, ma'am. I forgot. What is the color of rat, Agrima?
Agrima, do you know the color of rat?
Ma'am, brown.
Say it is of brown color.
But I have seen white color also. Have you seen?
Apurva
Yes.
ma'am, they can also say the color of the rat is brown color. Whatever. No, ma'am.
Both are correct. Both are correct. Okay. So listen,
Ma'am.
now the ones who have
Ma'am,
got yes.
I want to say everyone that right now I have spoken wrong sentence, but see how ma'am has corrected it. In the same way, you have to speak in full sentences. It doesn't mean that it is right or wrong. Once you will do it wrong, then only the teacher can correct.
Okay.
We will
Okay.
always speak in full sentences.
Trisha ma'am, now I want to talk to the parents for 2 minutes. Because the reason is, just give me a minute. Just a minute. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am. Fine.
Fine. That's great. Has everybody joined the meeting?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vita. Good morning.
Ma'am, there are 13 participants. 3 PRV and I think 9 students are there.
Okay, children, please switch on your video. Children, please switch on your video. Who is there from the name Suman Divedi?
Ma'am, it's I think so hard.
So hard.
No. It's Abhinav. It's Abhinav. It's Abhinav, the new child.
Yes, so hard is not here. So hard is his name.
Disha
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Class started late or what? At 11:40, you people are saying good morning. It will start at 11
Actually,
o'clock?
this is second session.
Okay. So second session, there are different children.
Ma'am, we have divided it into classes because we are asking the questions with everyone. So we are like scheduling 2 classes. One invite we are sending to class 1 and second invite we are sending to
Oh,
class
that is
2.
what I'm
Since
getting
yesterday.
confused every time. You're not doing it together, no?
No,
Okay.
ma'am,
Because in the first, second class, no, the child has attended the class for one hour, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. So we have divided the same like this.
ठीक है 40-45 minutes will take. Okay. Understood.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, children. Yes. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, make this.
Ira, just a minute. Please unmute yourself. Ira, unmute yourself and then show. Yes, Ira.
Wallet.
Wow, very nice. Very nice. Very beautiful. Show it again. Show it again in front of camera quickly. See, children.
He has made a wallet.
See, children, what a wonderful wallet she has made. See, big eyes is there on the wallet. Very nice, Ira. Very nice. It is looking very nice. You all can make, you can do a lot of craft work you want to do. Use old papers, use old materials which are there at your home. Try to color them. Try to make something new and creative. That's totally your choice. But Ira, your wallet is very nice. Very nice. Okay, children. So now let's start with the activity. Yesterday we were doing one activity in which we have written a particular word on the piece of a flashcard. So my word was, the word which I have written was bubble. Show me your words. Quickly, show me your words. Like this only. Very good, Akrishi. Akrishi, please unmute yourself and read out the word. Akrishi, unmute yourself and read out the word.
Ma'am, Lee and table.
No, the word which you have written.
Ma'am, table.
Read out the spelling. Like my word spelling is BUBBLE, bubble. Please read your word spelling.
My table. Table.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, now let me see.
Ma'am.
Gurvangi, please read out. Yes, beta. Yes, beta. Gurvangi, please read out the spelling of your word.
Okay, ma'am.
Very nice, Abhinav. Very nice.
T-U-R. T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle.
Turtle. Very nice. Parth, show me your word. Parth, show me your word. Show the flashcard which you're having in your hand. Read out the spelling of the word. Read out the spelling.
T-U-R-T-L-E.
What is TURTLE? What do you mean by TURTLE? Turtle. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Very good. Then we have Pranchal. Pranchal, please read out the spelling of your word. Pranchal, please read out the spelling of your word. Read out the spelling of bubble. Bubble. Okay. Wonderful. Next we have is Sohar. Sohar, please show your word like this and read out the spelling.
L-I-T-L-E. Little.
Little. Very nice. Vaishnavi. Very good, Sohar. Vaishnavi,
Thank you, ma'am.
please unmute yourself.
Apurva ma'am.
Vaishnavi.
Apurva ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Just a second. Can you all before reading the word, children, can you just say I'm going to read this word? Can you just make a sentence and speak? I'm going to read this word little. Then spell it out. Little. Is it fine, Apurva ma'am?
Yeah, definitely.
So they can speak the whole sentence and then spell out the word.
Okay, let's do in the same way. Ira, unmute yourself. Yes, Ira. Ira, read out the word. Read out the spelling.
T-U-R-T-L-E.
No, the sentence which Meha ma'am has told. ELE, apple. Repeat again. Anay, please repeat again.
My spelling.
The spelling. The spelling
The spelling.
of my
The
word
spelling of my word
is.
is
Now tell us the spelling.
A-double-P apple.
Oh,
Apple.
APPLE, apple.
Ma'am.
Anne,
Ma'am.
can you see what is in my hand?
What is this I'm having? Let's see.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Spelling
Yes, Isha ma'am. Oh wow. Anil, see what is Isha ma'am having in her hand?
Yes, ma'am. Apple.
Can you see the color and tell me?
Ma'am, the color of the apple is red.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
So let's
Very
clap
good.
for everyone once. Purva ma'am and Disha ma'am, let's clap for everyone.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Very good.
Pranchal, how are you clapping? This is the way you clap.
Pranchal.
Good. Arijit?
Nah, yes, now it's Arijit's turn. Arijit, please
Arijit,
unmute
unmute
yourself.
yourself.
Good morning, Arijit.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Ma'am, I am fine.
Okay. Please show us your word.
Purva ma'am, just a second. Arijit, yesterday I had told you you will say, I'm fine, thank you, ma'am. How will you say?
I am fine, thank you, ma'am.
Very good. So you will complete the whole sentence. And you can also ask the Purva ma'am, how about you? Ask the
They
Purva
don't,
ma'am how.
they don't ask me. Why
Let,
so?
let him ask.
How are you,
Yes.
Apurva?
I'm fine. I'm fine, Arijit. Thank you. I'm fine.
B-U-B-B-L-E, bubble.
You know, when ma'am is taking care of all of you, you should take care of ma'am also. You should ask me also questions, no? Then only we can build a great vocabulary. Then only we can talk in English. Getting? Now show me a word. Okay. Now what is the word written? I cannot see, Arijit. Please read it out.
Turtle.
The word is turtle.
The word is turtle. Okay. What is the spelling of the word?
हमारे बिल्कुल सही आता really.
Repeat again. Your voice is not coming clearly, beta. Repeat again.
The spelling of the word is Turtle.
Very good. So the spelling of the word is Turtle, which means it is turtle. Okay. Now let's come to Shubh. Shubh,
Yes, ma'am.
good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please show me your word. The word which you have written. Okay, very nice. Please read out the spelling for me. Please read out the spelling for me.
A full sentence.
Yeah, in a full sentence.
The spelling is bubble. B-U-B-B-L-E.
Okay, Shobh, listen to me. The spelling of the word is Bubble. Bubble. Repeat again.
Bubble.
The spelling.
Spelling.
The spelling
Spelling
of
my
the
word.
the spelling of the word.
Yeah. You could say it as of my word also. Both are correct. So say the spelling of my word is. Repeat again. The spelling of my word is.
The spelling of word is
Of my word is.
my word is
Beta, is pay. You should not take so much of pause. Speak it in a quick way. Is wrong. You should say is. You should put more force on e than sa. You should not say is. It's wrong. You should say is. Is. Repeat again. Is. Yes. Now repeat again the entire sentence. The spelling of my word is. Repeat again. Repeat after me.
spelling is my word is
No. The spelling
the spelling
of my word
of my word
is.
is
Bubble. Bubble.
Bubble. Bubble.
Bubble. See my lips. See my lips. How I'm pronouncing? Bubble. ऐसे.
Bubble.
Bubble. See again. Bubble.
Bubble.
Okay. Repeat the
Bubble.
entire sentence now. Now repeat the entire sentence. What is the spelling of your word?
B.
No. Where's the sentence?
Sentence, no?
The spelling of my word is.
The spelling my word is
The spelling of my word. So you need to practice a lot. Speak this sentence 5 times. I will record the sentence and I will send it to you on WhatsApp. Okay? Speak it 5 times and make sure, children, this is for everyone. When you are pronouncing a sentence or you are talking to someone or you are reading out something. Let's suppose if I say, my name is Apurva. If I am saying this, my name is Apurva. So I will not say my name is that is wrong. You know, that is totally wrong. In name, you know, in the sound of please tell A. What is the spelling of Yes, very good.
Very good.
Very good. Please clap for Ganesha. Very good. Very good. So you should say it as the spelling of the word is table. Table.
And
Repeat.
Ganesha, what you can do is you can use the reverse side of that sheet and you can write the table quickly.
Means if you have written this side, reverse side means what? Just turn the page like this and write over here. If you have written at this side, just turn the card
She's
like
writing.
this.
She
And
is
write
writing. Apurva ma'am, she's writing.
Okay,
We
okay.
can go to
Ganesha.
Vaishnavi till then.
Yeah, sure. Vaishnavi. Hey, hello. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Vaishnavi, could you please tell us the spelling of the word which you have written?
My my
The spelling.
the spelling of my word is bubble. Bubble. Bubble.
Good.
Okay. Okay. Very good, beta.
Amazing.
Very good.
Absolutely. Clap for Vaishnavi.
Part, please sit properly. Sit straight. Very nice. I really like the way saw her this clapping. Okay, now let's come to Abhinav. Abhinav.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Abhinav.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, have you written any word?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read out the spelling.
My word is Google.
Your word is Google. Okay. What is the spelling of Google?
Google. Google.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, Apurva ma'am, wait. Abhinav, can you say it like this? The spelling of my word is Google. Google, not Google. Google.
The spelling
Yes.
of my word is Google.
Yes.
Google.
Very good. Let's clap for him.
Very nice. Very nice. Very good, Abhinav. Okay. So now please raise your hand quickly and tell me what for Google is used.
Ma'am, to search anything.
Wow, Gaurvangi, very nice. And where do we find this Google? Is it
In Google app.
some place?
In Google app.
Google app.
Ma'am, search.
Okay. Okay. So where is this Google app?
In
In
my
your
phone. Ma'am, in my phone.
Oh my God, you are becoming very perfect these days with phone. Okay. Okay.
Not only in phone, you can find it on your computer, laptop, tab, everywhere.
iPad also, definitely, definitely. And on Google, you can search for what? You can search for anything, any
Yes,
answer.
ma'am.
Okay, very
The
nice. Very nice.
spellings also.
Yeah,
Spellings.
you can search for the spellings also. You can search out for the meanings also. You can search
And
out for the
drawing
sentences for
Ma'am, drawing.
pictures, drawing. Yes,
also.
yeah, definitely. For everything you can use Google. That's true. That's true. Very nice, children. Very nice. Okay, Ganesha, have you written the word?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read out the word which you have written.
The
No.
spelling of my word is Ma'am, I will.
Okay. The spelling of your word is table. Okay. Okay. So now let's start with the activity. Let's do something in written. Okay. As you all can see, this was our first flashcard, and this was our second flashcard. Okay. Leaving this, we were having two more. Yes or no? We were having two more flashcards, no?
Yes,
Now we
ma'am.
are left three. Okay. So please take the third one. The third piece of flashcard. Please take the third piece of flashcard. Okay. With the help of pencil, with the help of your pencil, in the corner of the flashcard, write number three. Write number three in the corner of your flashcard. So here you have to write number three. Like this. Look here. Like this. Written. Okay. Yesterday I gave one homework to all of you to find out the meaning of the word which you have written on the second flashcard. That means your homework was to find out the meaning of this particular word. If you have written apple or you have written turtle, you have to find the meaning of that particular word. How many of you have completed your homework? Just raise your hand.
Ma'am, Gorvangi has. Ma'am, Gorvangi.
Korvangi, answer in complete sentence.
Gorvangi has found the meaning of the turtle. The meaning of the turtle is tortoise.
Okay.
Very good, Gaurvangi. She has spoken.
Okay, Gurvangi, that was a really nice answer, and I'm really, enjoying the session a lot because many of you are now learning to, communicate in English. It's really very nice. Okay, so what you have to do is on the third flashcard, listen to me. First, listen to my instruction, and then I'll ask one by one. What you have to do is
Ma'am?
hello. The instructions are as what you have to do is you have to write the meaning of this word on the third flashcard. You getting? Let's suppose what is bubble. Bubble is formed if you see when we have liquid soap or we have water in hand, something in liquid, and we rub it out like this, and we just blew out the air. What happens? If you could see a round shape ball kind of thing in air gets formed, and the moment you try to touch it, it just it just gets poked out and it's vanished somewhere, it's lost. So the same way what you have to do is you have to write the meaning of this word on the third flashcard. So I am going to write my meaning, you all write your meaning, and then we'll read out the meanings. Okay, start writing. You have just 1 minute.
Ma'am, I have written the meaning of the turtle in third
You already
flashcard.
written the meaning of the turtle. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's really nice if you have already written. Please use your pencil or else the colors which you were using yesterday. You have 1 minute. All of you have 1 minute. Please quickly write.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Gaurvangi.
Yes, Gaurvangi. Yes, Gaurvangi.
Ma'am, advice coming to ma'am. I am asking him.
Okay. Now, see, I have written my meaning. So I've written a ball of air in liquid. That means a ball which is, totally of air, and it is also formed in air and with the help of liquid. Liquid means what? Something which has soap kind of solution. Like
Yes, ma'am.
face washes, your soap. And I
Ma'am, I have
think
taken and
it
I am so bubbly.
yeah. Please write. So we'll have the sequence like first this card, then second card with the word, and third with the meaning. This will be the sequence. Can you all see clearly? Meha ma'am, is it visible?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Okay. At the first,
Your meaning flashcard is not visible, Apurva, ma'am.
ma'am, Vidisha has joined the session.
No, ma'am, she hasn't joined.
Her mother is calling.
She's not in the session.
Card, you have to use different flashcard for writing the meaning. Word will be in separate flashcard and meaning on the separate flashcard. That means two different flashcards you have to use. One for word, other for the meaning. Up हो गया उधर. Please write and show me.
I think they have written the meaning. Ask them to show. Session is getting over. Sahad, show.
Hello. Am I audible,
Have
children?
you written it with pencil?
Hello. Am I audible to everyone?
Where is the meaning, Sahad?
Isha ma'am.
It's not visible. You
Yeah,
have written
ma'am.
with
Am I
pencil.
audible? Hello.
Yes, you're audible.
But why I cannot hear everyone? The voice is not clear in my.
They ask
I
for
don't
the
know why.
meanings, na? Come on, quickly.
So the meaning of my word is a ball
Okay,
of
Sahad
air
has
in
written small.
liquid. Disha ma'am, could you please read out the spelling of the meaning for them?
Very good, Sahad. Small.
A ball of air in liquid. A BALL ball. OF of AIR air. INN LIQ liquid. UID liquid. Full stop. Yes, Gaurvangi, show me your meaning. Quick. Beta, please
Okay,
come
Vaishnavi, I
closer.
can see yours. Gorvangi, please read it out. It is
Okay,
not
ma'am.
coming clearly, beta. Please read it out.
The meaning of my word is TORTOISE, tortoise.
Akrishi,
Yes, ma'am.
Akrishi, please show.
Ma'am, please wait.
Akrishi, please repeat.
Table is a type of furniture.
Okay, good.
Kind of.
Table is a type
Furniture.
of furniture. Tanisha, show. Harijit has
Suman
written.
Dwivedi, show.
I can't see it clearly.
A freshwater reptile related to the sea. Okay, very nice. And Arijit, do you
Okay.
know what are Do you know anything about reptiles?
Part, please show.
Arijit, reptiles are those kind of animals which always keep on, crawling and creeping on the floor.
Part, please show. Part, please show, beta.
Tisha ma'am, you people are not audible to me.
Okay, leave it, ma'am. I am just asking them to show their meanings. They will show it
Please
to me
ask
one by
because I
one.
cannot hear anyone's voice. I don't
Show,
know what
please
is
show
wrong
me
with the
your
phone.
meaning.
Yes, ma'am.
Show, can you hear me? Pranchal, please show me your meaning. Pranchal, I'm not able to see clearly. Please read it out. Okay, I think he has written a ball of air in liquid. Good.
Okay, so
Okay,
heard it.
Abhinav.
Flashcard, that's good. That's good.
Abhinav, please show me your meaning.
What
Or
about
read
this
it
child,
out.
Suman, whose mother's name is Suman? You show.
Abhinav,
Okay.
ma'am.
Somebody
Now,
with
children, listen to me.
somebody with
Listen to me.
wide
What is the homework for you all?
Something.
open eyes. And what was your word?
Tisha
What was the
ma'am.
word? Somebody with wide open eyes. What was the word?
Tisha ma'am.
Apurva, ma'am, please wait.
Excuse me, ma'am.
अभिनव what was your word बेटा गूगल था ना आपका word वो ओके तो गूगल का मतलब उसने wide open eyes अभिनव your word was Google
What was his word?
Ma'am.
अभिनव what was your word बेटा
Part, please show.
The meaning of person is somebody ma'am.
Vaishnav,
Yes.
Varvangi.
Yes, ma'am.
Varvangi.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to check on Google meanings?
Yes, ma'am. We asked. Then Google tell him.
Okay, so ask Google what is the difference between tortoise and turtle. You have written the
Okay,
meaning
ma'am.
of turtle is tortoise, but there is a
Yes.
little difference between tortoise and turtle. So find out in tomorrow's class what is the difference between tortoise and turtle. They
Okay,
look
ma'am.
very